Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys another must-have application for your iPhones. This application will allow you guys to convert your videos to live photos right on your iPhone or convert videos to GIFs all within one application. So it's a very useful application to have on your phone if you guys do that a lot. Now I'll show you guys what application it is just on the App Store. It's a free app. So if you guys just head over to your App Store and search for GIF Convert by PicCollage, you guys see this application right here. So it's just this one right here, the very top one. All you guys have to do is just download that, and I'll show you guys really quickly how to use it. Once it's downloaded, you just want to open it up, and then you want to allow access to your photos. So you go ahead and do that. And then you just want to click on any video or photo that you have here. So let's click on this one right here. And what you want to do once you're in this is you have the option to trim it. So if you just want to go on the left-hand side of your trim and just drag over, just like you guys would on your iPhone's editor and stuff like that, you can just trim out any area that you would like. You can also here adjust the speed. What you want to do when you're done that, though, is just click on the little download button at the bottom. And then you have three options here. You can save it as a GIF, a video, or a live photo, and you can choose the resolution as well. So let's just say if I wanted to make a GIF out of it, I can leave it as that, or a live photo, depending on what you want to do. So let's just do GIF, and then we'll save it. And then it says file as saved. You will be able to find this in your Photos application right now. And it's that easy to use this. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this on your iPhones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.